Growing leaf lettuce in the early spring garden is a delight for gardeners. This nutritious and tasty green vegetable has a crispy texture and a mildly sweet flavor. It is easy to grow, requires minimal maintenance, and is ready to harvest in just a few weeks. The best soil type for leaf lettuce is well-draining, loose soil with a pH of 6 to 7. Depending on the variety, it can be grown in USDA zones 2 to 11. For early spring planting, sow the seeds indoors 4 to 6 weeks before the last frost date. Then transplant them outside when the soil temperatures reach 45 degrees Fahrenheit. 3 popular cultivars are Black-Seeded Simpson, Buttercrunch, and Parris Island. To plant, prepare the soil by adding compost. Sow seeds 1 4-inch deep and 1 inch apart in rows 12 to 18 inches apart. Water regularly, but avoid waterlogging. When the seedlings are a few inches tall, thin them to 4 to 6 inches apart. Caring for lettuce is simple. Keep the soil moist but not saturated. Feed lettuce with a balanced fertilizer or add compost every 3 to 4 weeks. Harvest when the leaves are 4 to 6 inches long by cutting off the outer leaves, leaving the inner leaves to continue growing. To encourage regrowth, cut the leaves 1 inch above the crown. Follow us for more gardening and outdoor living advice, and happy planting!